So I want to show you how I like to use color palette. Now if you go to window, you have the color palette. Now everybody knows this. There's tons of videos on YouTube. Really simple tool to use. There's not a lot to it. There's a couple of options here, which I'm not really going to cover. But I want to show you something that can make life a lot easier when using the color palette. Now if you set up these colors, what do you guys notice? The waveforms aren't really matching the tracks. So what I used to do, is to open the color palette, used to highlight the track, and it shows you the color. So then I would do something like this to match it. Pretty annoying. Then I found a pretty cool trick. I'm gonna go to setup, preferences. Over here at default clip color coding, I want to send it to track color. And when I press OK, now the tracks are all one color. Now there's some benefits to doing it the other way. For example, in this session, it's one artist, 3 verses. You can color code each individual verse differently, but keep the main track whatever color you want. And you can do the same thing with the hook, but I prefer to do it this way. So if this is the first time watching one of my videos, subscribe to the channel, press the bell for future notifications. If you want to talk about what you just saw in this video, post in the bottom. Let's talk about it. Also, don't forget to check the description for useful information. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later, guys.